What's up guys, it's your boy Kenmor, and I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how I made the Halloween remix.
Like my slide.
You know, Halloween season's here. I wanted to do something special. I want to always kind of up the ante every remix I have. So I wanted to give a Halloween remix a try. I remember hearing the Halloween piano. Classic. I started figuring out what kind of notes I can put in, how to make it more dancey. I wanted to get some punchy drums. So this is the drums that I have right now. Clearly there's a punchy kick. Even the snare is like a psst. It's real strong and real reverby. So I wanted to keep something with the same energy. From the initial, I wanted to transition it. Gave it some special effects and I added some little different notes here and there. So as you can hear, I even changed the pattern. In a way, this has 3 bass lines because I wanted to focus on the deep sub bass to really capture a feel for the listeners, to really feel the music, while also kind of filling some empty space and using it for like an alternate melody. Okay, so here's the deep pluck. And then here's the distorted synth. Together, this is that alternate melody that I use to kind of fill the empty space. I have some transitions. You know, kind of just like a added one shot. Of course, you gotta experiment with your own automations and all that. Oh, I almost forgot. Some vocal chops. This specific vocal chop I got from the Halloween Kills trailer. He actually says Michael Myers is alive.
Like my slide.
So I used that. And then I wanted to get more of some vocal chops. This one is actually from the first 1978 Halloween movie, and I believe he's saying, I think he'll come back.
I think he'll come back.
This is my favorite one. This is Jamie Lee Curtis's scream when he shows up in the room upstairs and she falls over the balcony. I loved this scream. It's just so raw and it just sounds so real, and I had to use it. And I also put a little automation clip for it to start low, go high, and then dip again. You put all those elements together and you have this. So there you have it, guys. That is the Halloween theme song remix by yours truly. I go by the name Kenmor. You can search me on all my social medias, on all the links in the description. If you like this tutorial, be sure to like, subscribe, please, and comment what I should do next. Love y'all and thank you for viewing. Peace.